Leadus is committed to provide the safe and reliable solutions for electrical wires and cables. Leadus CSA electrical rigid PVC conduit offers half-inch to 8-inch, length in 10 feet and 20 feet, or customized. The conduit is easy to handle and install with its smooth interior and outside design. Protect wires well and save time. Leadus electrical rigid PVC conduit is certified by CSA. It's made of high-quality PVC material and meet ASTM D1784-20 standard with excellent performance in corrosion-resistant, impact-resistant, sunlight-resistant, self-extinguishing, and fire retardant, providing reliable and long-lasting protection for electrical systems. Leadus CSA electrical rigid PVC conduit are normally packaging in pallets or in bundles. It's time and space saving, with product inventory and fast lead time. Leadus is dedicated to providing products quickly and efficiently without sacrificing quality. Leadus CSA electrical rigid PVC conduit, the ideal choice for industrial, commercial, and residential electrical applications. Leadus, lead the safer electrical conduit systems.